Did you know that houseplants can boost your health and wellness? Yes, indeed. The humble houseplant, often seen as a mere decorative element, is actually a powerhouse of benefits. Today, we delve into the top 10 reasons why you should consider adding a touch of green to your living space. But before this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future content. If you like this, please share with your plant loves friends. Firstly, houseplants increase humidity. They release moisture into the air, acting as natural humidifiers. This can be particularly beneficial during dry months or in air-conditioned spaces, where the air can become dry and harsh. Secondly, plants help reduce stress. Being around greenery has been shown to lower anxiety and promote feelings of calm. It's like having a slice of nature right in your living room. Thirdly, say hello to enhanced productivity. Studies have shown that having plants in your workspace can boost your concentration and productivity. They create a calm environment that's conducive to focus and creativity. Fourth on our list is air purification. Plants are nature's air purifiers. They absorb harmful chemicals like benzene and formaldehyde, improving the quality of air in your home or office. Fifth, plants can serve as natural room dividers. If you need to create separate spaces in a room, plants can provide a beautiful and natural solution. Plus, they add a touch of life to your interiors. Sixth, houseplants absorb noise. They can help dampen the echo in large rooms and reduce background noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful environment. Seventh, houseplants can aid in alleviating respiratory conditions. They increase humidity and purify the air, which can help those with respiratory ailments breathe a little easier. Eighth, certain plants have healing properties. Aloe vera, for instance, is known for its skin-soothing capabilities. Keeping healing plants at home can be a natural way to maintain your health. Ninth, taking care of plants can boost self-esteem. Nurturing a living thing and seeing it thrive can be a rewarding experience, boosting your mood and self-confidence. Finally, 10th, houseplants contribute to a sense of well-being. They create a peaceful sanctuary, making your home or workspace feel more welcoming and relaxed. In summary, houseplants are much more than just pretty faces. They increase humidity, reduce stress, boost productivity, purify the air, act as room dividers, absorb noise, alleviate respiratory conditions, possess healing properties, boost self-esteem, and contribute to a sense of well-being. So, next time you're considering home decor options, remember that a houseplant is not just a decoration, but a companion that promotes health and wellness. I hope you've learned something new and are inspired to bring more greenery into your space. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It's a small action, but it helps us to continue creating content like this. Next, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel Houseplantslove. This way, you won't miss out on our future videos.